so welcome to our channel. Please consider to subscribe down here below. It's super easy, just click that red button. And today I'm going to do a super easy craft, which is a Christmas tree made out of $3 spheres. So stay tuned if you want to know how to do it. For this project, you will need the 6 tubes of 12 spheres each, which I got from Dollar Tree, and a hot glue gun. First of all, you need to open the spheres and then cut the ribbon that has on the top. Then you will start the grouping. I did 6 groups of 5 spheres each. You just glue them together, and then you will do 5 groups of 4 spheres each, and then 3 groups of 3 spheres, and you will have 1 sphere left over that you will put on top of the Christmas tree. So just glue them all together very well with the hot glue, and then we'll start with the tower. We're all done. We're going to start with the tower. The 5 spheres first, then the 4, then the 3, and then the 1 sphere on the very top. Okay guys, so we are done with this tree. I love it so much. I used 6 packages total, and they came with 12 each. So this is how it looked, and I completely love. Now we're going to go ahead and do the red one. For the red ones, I did a little modification. First, I did 1 group of 6 spheres. Then I went ahead and do 5 groups of 5 spheres, 4 groups of 4 spheres, and then 3 groups of 3 spheres, and we ended up with 1 sphere for the top. Basically, you do the same thing, you just glue them all together, and then you will do the tower. Okay guys, we're done with this craft. I love how they turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and please subscribe to our channel. It's down here below. Super easy, just click that button. And until next time, bye bye. Thank you.